how to get different colored arrows on chess.com. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you how you can get different colored arrows on chess.com. And here's how to go about it. First step is to log in into your chess account. You might decide to log in or not. Just ensure that you are on the chess.com website, and then you can now decide to play a game. All right, do you want to solve a puzzle? Do you want to play a boat? Do you want to play a game to review? You can just select any one of your choice. For me, I selected playing with a boat, and the next step is to choose an avatar and select play. And then once you have this, the next step for you is to draw an arrow. So to draw an arrow, you'd have to right click on your mouse and then direct the cursor where you want the arrow to go to, and then release the right click. And so after doing that, the arrow would appear. So for you to able to change the color of the arrow, next thing for you to do is to select controls on your keyboard, and the control that you'll be selecting depends on the color you want. If you want color blue, all you need to do is to press down the Alt key, then right click, direct the cursor, then release the cursor. As you can see now, if you want another color, long press on the control button, right click, direct the mouse, and then release it. As you can see on my screen, now you can now see 3 different colors on your chessboard. Then if you want a green color, just go ahead and long press on the shift key, right click, and then direct the cursor again, and as you can see, the another arrow has appeared. You can see we now have 4 colors. So like I said, this is the default color. The default color is yellow. All right, then if you want a blue color, press down the Alt key, then right click, then direct the cursor, and then you'll see it. For color green, press down the shift key, right click, then draw your cursor and release. And then for the red, press down the control key, right click, direct the arrow, and you get it. That is it. Thank you for watching, and go ahead and try out different colors of arrows today. Have a good day.